Alright, so here we are taking the glass unit out. And as you can see, I already got the stop off, see? And when I measured it, I took this apart. See this little part? See that little seam there? I can't see it. That little seam right there. That's what that is right there. Get this glass unit. Slide this pig up in here. That's 20, that's 25. Glass unit. Of course, you can slide. Boom. Boom. Okay, we are in. And you just pop these bad boys out. All windows, most windows have this. Okay, and we're gonna correspond these. Left. All right, so let's see about doing this. See, just pop that bad boy out of there. Okay, this is our right side, so we'll put it on the right side. Okay, let's do our bottom one. If you can see that, this thing's a little pain in the butt. I don't have the right bar with me. Hey, sometimes they will break. So yeah, you gotta not be scared. So usually when you're hitting the stops with metal and they're plastic, you're gonna get little chips is what I mean. That's all. You gotta expect it's gonna break, because most likely they do. And look, I almost put the wrong thing on the wrong side. That's that part. That's the top. All right, now we go inside. You can see there's not that much. You can see in there. There's not that much stuff in there. Usually this is packed in here, but they've only got a little bit. So it should pop out pretty good. I'll go inside. I use this little skinny bar. See, this is going to be a little messed up because there's no glass there. So we've got to get. Okay, let's get somewhere where we get some glass. This is going to be tough. Get out of here. You go. And let's try from the outside. So coming from the factory, they had this unit glued in very well. There was no way to get it out without breaking the glass. So, well, I think I might have to just break the whole thing. I've hit it before, like this one. If it's the problem with this is usually you have glass here to get this bar in there, or a smaller one, and then I can hit it down with a hammer to get the glue loose. But I might just have to pinch the end of it and shatter the whole thing. Yeah. Because then I can just take it right out instead. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to take it out in one piece. Okay. But if I have to, I'm gonna make a big mess in about 10 minutes because it's just not gonna. It is what it is. Yeah, that's usually, it's tough because I can't get, once I hit it, it just goes into the channel where the glass is. So it's gonna be a minute. All right. No biggie. All right. I'm here if you need anything. Okay, thank you very much. I'll be here for a second. It's gonna have to happen. Just sweep it up. You know, sometimes you gotta do that because it's a lot easier. So both of my GoPros died. So I'm just gonna go over this real quick what I did. I took the screen off. You've seen I took everything apart. All I did was I put some silicone on that white part in there. So my GoPros died, so I didn't have the part of me setting the glass in the whole frame. So where I'm pointing there is where you'd put a silicone, set your window in, and you can see I already had the stop put back on. Sorry I didn't get that part in there. GoPro batteries suck. The inside stop, put my glass in, new glass, and then these stops